By streamlining processes, increasing output, and facilitating wise decision-making, AI agents are revolutionizing a variety of industries. Players build their Katamari by rolling up materials strewn all over the place in this oddball action game that is only available on the Apple Arcade. In order to implement the greatest, most audacious, and most comprehensive solutions, at Google are dedicated to comprehending the full extent of its environmental impact. Intel Tiber Platform Lifecycle Integrity offers a comprehensive security framework for modern computing environments. Microsoft Office 365 web apps inherit ChromeOS security protections without further software, and unlike desktop apps on other operating systems, they keep their data and software current and managed. AMD announced that it has added 5th General AMD EPYC embedded CPUs to its line of x86 embedded CPUs. SCANN vector search is essential to Google's ability to provide the performance needed for applications with billions of users. New AMD research reveals how high-frequency CPUs drive AI performance gains, faster inference with EPYC 9575F and top GPUs. Large and complicated datasets that need specialized technologies to collect, manage, and analyze their contents are referred to as big data. Businesses can ensure system security manufacturing through lifecycle using the robust capabilities. Transparent supply chain Intel offers to confirm the integrity and authenticity